In this presentation, I'll go ahead and talk about how we can create the Gmail campaign ads. And trust me, they are really effective. And what's the use? I'll let you know. But once, let's start the creating of Gmail ads. So first of all, we'll go ahead and hit on new campaign. We'll go to create a campaign without a goal, and then we'll go with display. Inside the display, we have smart display campaign, which we have created. As of now, we are keeping the standard display campaign aside. We'll just go for Gmail campaign, which shows interactive ads to people as they browse their emails. So where do we see these Gmail campaign ads? On the promotion sites. If you open your Gmail account, on the promotions, you will see the ads. So we'll go for Gmail, and you don't need to fill something here. Just say continue. And then we'll name our campaign. Let's suppose I'll make it as Gmail ad. Then inside it's India, the country. Then you will select the languages. Suppose I'll select the language, all languages. Now it's a bidding strategy. What do you want to focus on? Conversions, conversion value, other optimizations, options, or clicks. Similarly, we'll go with or select a bid strategy, which is I'll go for manual CPC. But this time I'll uncheck this one. It says help increase conversions with enhanced CPC. Do not go for that, because if in this case, Google will automatically enhance it and charge it. So I personally don't go for this one. If you want to go with that, up to you. Then our budget, then additional settings, which are same, add rotations. And rotations, of course, we always go with do not optimize, rotate ads indefinitely. Then we have ad schedules, we have start and end dates, we have devices. Suppose I don't want to show or Gmail, we can operate Gmail from any devices. So I'll keep it on show all on all devices. Then URL options, if you want to set the URL options, I have already been told you. Conversions, if you want to choose any kind of conversions, you can choose it. Just like the same similar display ad which we used to create when we started creating the display ads, similar. Then I'll keep the group name as group number 1. Audience keywords, if you want to mention the keywords. Then audiences, you can choose the audiences, whatever you like. Suppose I'll go with education, and done. Then suppose it's a demographics, if you want to exclude or include anyone. Then we have automated targeting. Automated targeting means it says no automated targeting. Use only the targeting you have set yourself. I personally think that you should not go for this one. We always go with conservative automation. So we'll go with no automated targeting. Then we have a group bid. Suppose my group bid is 10. And look at this. The impressions is 2.5 to 25% rate. And then we'll start creating your ad. So first of all, if you have all created the Gmail ads, you can upload it, which is look like this, like email, it's image ad and it's HTML ad. All are same, nothing is new. You can just mention your business name, then you can mention the headline, then you can mention the description, then it's your display URL, which could be your final URL. And similarly, it could be your final URL. Display URL would be which URL do you want to show, and final URL is once they see your ad, where do you want them to go. And then add URL options, up to you. You need to set your logo as well, and then you can choose the files to upload. Simple. That's it. And then suppose if I hit on, I'll say I don't need to go for this one, cancel. I'll go with new ad, and this time I'll choose Gmail ad. Suppose I'm creating a new Gmail ad. Similarly, it would look like just like we are creating our normal display ads. We'll choose the business name. We'll go with our headline. This is our description, my final URL. Look at this. This is how it would look like. And then final URL. What is my final URL? My landing page. It could be my landing page. Then URL options, up to you if you want to set that. Then you can add the images from here. Then you can, or if you want to add videos, then you can add the catalog images if you want to. And then more options, if you hit on more options, then you have custom teaser, you have call to action button, you have color options. If you go for color options, then you have accent color, whatever you like. Suppose I'll go for black. I go for black and I choose it, and everything seems in black. Similarly, if I go with pink, if I choose it, everything seems in pink. It's not showing me here, but yes, we can do that. Then in the more options, we have call to action button. What do you want to write on call to action button? Suppose I want to write call now. And somewhere here inside this ad, you will see your call to action button. This is how you can create your Gmail ads. I'm not creating it right now, but yes, once you create it, create the campaign and then confirmation. Once you hit on confirmation, your ad will be published and it will show on your email addresses, on whatever the email address has been linked to Google Ads account and which is relatable to your product, or which is relatable to your content. Suppose my content is related to beauty, so it would reach to all those email addresses who searches for beauty, or who link their ID with any of these kind of applications or websites. Google can do it by itself. We don't need to think about anything. We just need to create some ads and publish it. The rest, the work is all about Google, because we are paying Google to do this, right? So yeah, this was all about your Gmail ads, how we can create the Gmail ads, and this is an in-display ad. Yeah, why do we need this? This was a good question. Why do we need the Gmail ads? First of all, for a basic purpose, like for a new ad, Gmail ad is not a good thing. But for your remarketing purpose, Gmail ad has a very good effect. It's very effective for your remarketing purpose. So make sure if you are using the remarketing purpose, and if you want to remarket your customers, you can go for display ads, you can go for YouTube ads, you can go for Gmail ads too. They have a very good response. And inside the Gmail, if you have a video attached, that's too good. So make sure you will create and you will start practicing over the Gmail ads too, because that's really, really, really important. Do not take it lightly. So that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next lecture.